Welcome to our class. Today I will teach you Precalculus for high school. Our topic is a trigonometric function of any angles. Trigonometric function of any angles. Our first section of this class, I will show you what I mean reference angles. Reference angles. I will divide my class in three different topics. This one is reference of angles. Here, let me write one problem. For instance, we have to find the measuring of the reference angle for 130 degrees. Okay, this is our problem. How solve this kind of problem? First, we have to understand what is a reference. Reference angle. Reference angle for standard, for angle standard position is the acute angle. Here is a acute angle by its terminal sides and the x-axis. We have to use the x-axis. Also, we have the when it's a positive and negative. Negatives. Here is when the rotation is a counter clock side. No, white. Okay, and then the negative is the rotation is clockwise. So this is very important, these two couple of words. So I will show you in the problem. Okay, let's go and then try to solve this problem. The angle measure here in this case as a positive. The angle measure is positive. So the rotation is 130 degrees. Okay. Here let's write the counterclockwise. In this case, in this problem. All right. So we have to rotate it the right 130 degrees counterclockwise. This rotation puts the terminal sides in the quadrant number 2. So let me make the quadrant here for explain it to you. We have y here and we have x right here. So we have different quadrants. We have this quadrant, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay. Here we have this is 90 degree plus how much is 90 plus 30, 40 something right here. So our angle is in this way, 130 degrees. Okay, this is one way to see it. So now for find the answer, we have another group right here. Let me make right here. Make another right here. You don't want to erase it. X, and this is Y. So we have it is the same, okay, but I'm going to explain it right here. And this it is the same graph, the same graph. But now here we have to see how much is right here. Right here is 50 degrees, right? Why 50 degrees? Because 50 plus 40, this is 40. 50 plus 40 is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Both is equals 90. So once you have that, the answer there is right here, number 3. See, to write the space. So the reference angle, so the reference, this is very important. The reference angle is 180. The total is 180 degrees. See, 180 degrees minus 130 degrees is equals 50 degrees. This is the reference angle. So that's the answer. That's the answer, okay, in our problem. It's very simple. Just think a little bit. Let me show you another problem, same to this one, and then it will be easy for you to find the answer. Okay. Here we have to find the measure of the reference this is the looking for angle for a 100 degrees. Okay. Again, we have to make the picture. So the rotation, this angle is positive. This angle is positive. So the rotation is contra. Here, let's write counter clockwise. This is the rotation, all right? In this problem. So rotate the 100 counterclockwise. Let me show you here. We will have and the graph is better. This is Y, this is X. So we have quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2. So this working in the 3 and 4, right? So it's right here. It's also like this. So this is 100. Okay. Now we have to look for the answer here in this another graph. This graph here, Y, X. This graph, it is the same, but now in this graph, we have to find the measuring or the reference angle here. So here, find the reference angle. And this we have of course 1 right here, 2, 3, and 4. The angle is right here. So, but here, so if we have right here 100, 100 right here. How much is that angle? So 100 is 90. Here 90. We will have 80 degrees, right? Right there, because the total here is 90. 100 is 900 right here plus 10, right? So that's it. Then our answer, the reference angle. So here we have the reference angle is 180, right? 180, the total 180 minus 100 equals 80. 80 degrees. It's 80 degrees, see? That's the right answer, okay? So this is the reference angles. So let me go to another topic here. This was a reference angles, okay? Trigonometric function or angles. So number two, let me show you this. We have to find in number two, section number two, find trigonometric radius using reference angle. Okay, this is the number two. Remember, we already know what I mean, the reference angle. Okay, so now let's evaluate this problem. Evaluate it. Sine 60 degrees. We have to evaluate it. So first of all, we have to remember what I mean sine. I mean sine. So when you have a triangle, a right triangle, okay, right triangle. Let's write this sine aquí. This is a square angle. So sine of this angle is equals opposite over hypotenuse. I mean opposite. This is this side to this angle divided by this. So this is the concept, the main idea in this question. So now we have to let's go solve our problem. This problem right here. To calculate sine of 60 degrees, we have to write the right triangle with 60 degrees. Okay, let me write a right triangle. Let me write like something like this. Okay, so this is 60 degrees right here. This is a right angle. Remember, this is this triangle is equals 30 minus 60 and then 90 degrees. See, triangle, which is a special triangle. This is a special triangle. Remember, we already know what I mean, a special triangle. It is the sides. Remember, sides, length, length are 1. Remember this? I already teach you. 3 and 2. This is the sides. Then this means we have here 2. This is a square root 3, and this is 1, right? 1. This is our problem. This is our triangle. So now we have to calculate the sine of 60 degrees. 60 degrees, the length of the opposite legs is the positive legs is square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is equals 2 right here. So let's write sine of 60 degree equals let's write opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, this is a definition. Definition of sine. All right. If we substitute this, I told you. So we have a square root 3 divided by 2. This is here opposite equals square root 3, and then hypotenuse equals 2. That's it. So you divide that, the answer, so it's like that. Can I simplify? Sine 60 degrees is equals square root 3 divided by 2. That's the solution to our problem, right? It's another how find the radius. So we have tan, cosine, we have different kinds of radius, but it is the same. Once you check what is a definition, first we have to find the definition of the radius. Once you have the definition, so it is easy. Just substitute the variables. Okay, let's go another section. This section is number 3. It's a little bit different, but find the trigonometric function here. It's very easy. Find the trigonometric function, but now we have to using a calculator. So I just calculated to solve our problems. I have my calculator here, so use your calculator. You have to use that. But I'm gonna show you one problem here. It's easy with the technology right now. It's very easy to solve a problem. So here again, let me show you sine of 81 degrees. We have to sine 81 degrees. So solve the calculator to find the sines, and notice 100. Yeah, no, not absent, 100. Okay, so it's very simple here. You use the calculator here. It's only just find the calculator here. Use a smart. So right is 987, 6, 8, and then so on. Okay, so the closer answer is 0.99. Okay, let me show you another one problem. This is problem 8. Let me show you problem B. Another one. Sine again, yeah. 47 degrees is equals, let's write how much? Let's 47 is equals 0.731353. So the closer 100, not 100, here 0.73. That's it. So it's very simple class today. Trigonometric function of any angle. So thank you so much. I'm waiting for you next class on Monday at 3 p.m. and also Thursday 3 p.m. Monday and Thursday at 3 p.m. I am here for